Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we'll do a removal without acetone. This nail design is 2 weeks old, and the set is 5 months old. I usually do refill or infill every 2 weeks. I will continue to clip off the nails to give them a shape before using the file. I will clip off the length and start using the coarse ceramic round bit to take off the color and as much as possible from polygel. I am using the drill bit at 15,000 RPM. On the thumb it looks hard and painful, but it isn't, because the base was already loosened up. I will continue to scrap down the polygel, starting from where it has lifting. So, if you didn't subscribe already, please do. I have so many videos coming and I would like for you to see them. Like, subscribe and click the notification bell, please. I will use the sanding bit at 3000 RPM to take down any gel that might have left on the nail plate. I have said no acetone, but the ring finger was more stubborn, and I have decided to use just some acetone to take off that polygel. Using the cuticle bit at 4000 RPM to clean around them and trimming what is excess. The nails are looking all white because they are very dry right now. When using the drill bits, you take off all the oils, so will not be an issue. Now, I will clip more my cuticles, and if I don't pay attention too much, I will cut myself, which I sometimes do, but it is fine. These tools are sanitized. If I go too deep with the trimmer, a little bit of blood it comes out. Well, is no big deal. I use the isopropyl alcohol 99% and it is safe. I do recommend paying attention to the cuticles and to not do like I do. Buff the nails to create a smooth surface and use alcohol to remove any dust particles left. I am using the Eveline 8-in-1 treatment, which is the best and you have seen in my videos when I am removing the extensions. I am using this one for getting my nails recovered. It is the best that I found until now, and I know that if I want to keep my natural nails, I can use Eveline 8-in-1 for 1 month or 2 and I will have long nails. I put 2 coats. Let it dry and I can add the cuticle oil all over to rehydrate the nail. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.